Welcome to another brand new video. In this video, you are going to learn two things. One, 3 reasons why you need to build an email list. And 2, how to build an email list for free. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then click the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop a brand new video. And secondly too, it will help the YouTube algorithm to index this video and show it to many more people. So, if you are ready, let's get to my laptop. How to build an email list for free. If you are new to this channel, click the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop a new video. With that being said, let's start. A lot of business people are making sales on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, Pinterest, and so on. But being on social media is not enough at all. So, to build and nurture a lasting and sustainable business, the secret is in building an email list. So, why do you need to build an email list? The answer: 1. No need for middlemen. With middlemen, the unit price of a product increases as the middlemen need to make their own profits. This increase in price reduces the number of sales you make. But on the other hand, with an email list, you communicate directly with your target market, thus you sell more of your products. 2. Email subscribers equal warm leads. Yes, email lists gives you a curated but more targeted number of warm leads who are statistically more likely to buy from you than the casual follower on social media. People know that emails are effective, and that is why they are hesitant to give it to you. So when they finally subscribe to your list, they are ready to get something valuable from you for giving you their email. 3. Selling via email is more effective than selling on social media. Yes, selling via email is private, behind closed doors. You only communicate with the people who are interested in your offering, not blasting the offer to the whole world in your website where many will see it, but not buy. But with email, you are only engaging people who are much more interested in what you are selling. This allows you to select who receives what information from you and when. Welcome once again. In the first part of the video, you saw the 3 reasons why we need to build an email list for our businesses. In the second part, we are going to learn how to build an email list for free using Leadsleap. Dani Kash, from whom I learned this awesome system, will take us through the tutorial. But before we get to the laptop, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then this is the right time and the best time for you to subscribe so that anytime I drop any awesome video, you will be the first to be notified, and it will help the YouTube algorithm to index this video and show it to others. If you're ready, let's go.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your list in Leadsleap using the SendSpeed List Manager, okay? So just follow the video step by step all the way through and you'll be set up in minutes, okay? First thing you want to do is log into your account. And then once you're in your account, you're going to go over to the navigation bar and click on My List under SendSpeed List Manager. All right, and just to let you know what the SendSpeed List Manager is, this is your free list management system. Use it to build lists, set up autoresponder, create automated follow-up emails, and send broadcasts to your list. Say goodbye to those expensive list building services, okay? So I'm absolutely loving this. The next thing you're gonna do is click on Add a New List. And then you're simply going to type in a list name, all right? And you want this to be something familiar, something your subscribers are going to recognize. And I'm just going to put draft for example purposes, but you want to make sure that if it's for a business, you put the name of that business, or if it's for a free ebook, you put free ebook. That way, when they go to verify their email, they know exactly what it was that they opted into, okay? So you're just going to click on add new. And then you're going to see it added to your list, okay? So as you can see, there's a little caution sign, and this pretty much means that your list hasn't been activated. You just got to set it up. Click this little button next to it. All right, and you're just going to fill in all of these details. So the redirect URL is going to be the link that you want them to go to after they when they click the verification link. So after clicking the verification link, the subscriber will see a verified notice, then redirect to this URL. So if you're sending them to a free ebook, you want to put the link to that free ebook. If you're sending them to get more information on your business, you want to send them to your affiliate link within that business. Wherever you're trying to send them, that link goes here. So when they verify and click the link in that email, it takes them directly to where the information that they were trying to receive, okay? So up here for your list name, if you wanted to change the color of the name, you could also choose that here. Click choose, and this is what the color of whatever you put here is going to show up in the email. So if you have like a business you're a part of and their logo colors are red and green, you could put green here, or red, you know. So going down, sender's details. This is going to be your information. So you're going to put your full name. Then you're going to put your email address, and if you don't have your own business, you could simply use a Gmail. So I'm just going to put spelling it wrong. The Cash Empire, okay. All right. And then once you've added your email, you have to verify it, okay, to make sure it's a working email. So you're just going to click on send code to the above email address. All right. So then you have to go over to your email account, whatever that may be. And I'm using this one. All right. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm just going to grab this little code here. And then you're just going to paste that in here. All right, then you're just going to keep going. You want to put your real address here. And as you can see down here it says, as this has legal implication, fake address will result in your account being blocked from the service forever, okay? So you want to use your real address here, okay? Because it's coming from you. All right, and then this is going to be the first email that goes out to them after they click the verification link in their email to be opted into your list. So this is what you want to put here. You can put whatever email you want to put in there. After they click the verification link goes here. Once you've done that, you're going to go down here and check this box. By activating this list, I agree that I have entered my real physical address and I will not send spam, hype, pyramid, Ponzi, scam, or obscenity, adult, dating, gambling, or drug-related content, okay? If you send any of those things, this will get your account deleted forever in Leadsleap, and you don't want that to happen, okay? So once you've done that, you're just gonna click save and activate. Oh, yeah, I gotta put my address. So I'm just gonna put 1019 Forever Drive. I'm not gonna put my real address because this is just for example purposes, and I don't plan on sending any emails out using this, so it really doesn't matter. All right, and then go down here, click save and activate. All right, so it should be saved. I'm going to click on my list, and as you can see, the little caution box is gone. So this list is ready to use, and you can watch my next video to see exactly how you set up your email series That way you can start sending out follow-up messages to your subscribers, okay? Thanks for watching this video. Go ahead and get to it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
So, there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, do well to give us a like, share the video with your friends, and of course, let us know what you think about the video in the comment section below. In our next video, I'll be teaching you how to set up your Leadsleap email list autoresponder sequences. Till we meet again, it's bye-bye from me.